All right, folks. This here is a creation I guess I made out of mistake. I just wanted to make some organic rice and beans, for later to eat. But my rice didn't come out too good, so I wound up just kind of make it into like a dirty style rice. I threw some, like I said, 100% grass-fed beef inside. I had a whole bunch of shrimp, so I decided to saute them up really good and throw the shrimps in there for some added protein. And I had some leftover sweet potatoes, so I had cut that up, put that in the side. I'm gonna put a little bit of the salad, in it to give it a little bit of the greenery. And this right here, because I'm gonna go running today, so it's gonna give me ample amount of carb, ample amount of protein with the shrimp and beef. And I'm just gonna make it into like a burrito, wrap it up and eat it. Again, we don't waste food over here. All right, so you do what you gotta do, make them gains. Again, all whole foods, mostly organic ingredients, and that's it. Stay healthy. Peace. This right here is the end result. Like I said, plenty of like good carb, healthy carbs for you to fuel your workout, my run today. I got a little bit of cheese, ground beef, and shrimps. So that's the end result. So we're gonna knock this out. Again, I like to toast up my burrito, make it give a nice little crunch to it, soft but a little crunch to it, and that's it. All right, people. Later. Hey, what's up, people? It's your boy Key. Just finished up my run. Anybody that knows me knows that running is one of my least favorite things to do. But, gotta switch it up. It's good for me. I gotta work on my joints and my lower body. I have a lot of injuries, so, I'm trying to get stronger there. That's it. I'm just enjoying a beautiful day, feeling good, blessed, had a good breakfast, had a nice bike ride out here, and, just encouraging everybody to get out, you know what I'm saying? It's like, no matter where you at, take your head out of the phone, look up, and, enjoy your environment, your surroundings, All right, that's about it. Love all you guys. Again, DM me, for some motivational stuff, some real talk. You know how it is. I cater to mostly the guys, going through a rough time. You can get through it. Keep your health good, take care of yourself, eat good, and that's it. I'm just trying to preserve myself as long as possible. I got young children that I want to, see grow up and be able to keep up with them, Yeah. All right. Peace. Again, love you guys. Later.